Hey, do you have the new 5-pin double roll sample?
Well, how do you know I just got a 20,000 connector orders?
No, I just asking where the sample is.
How do you know the client praise our products and saying they are durable and stable and have fast delivery time?
Oh, seriously, are you even listening to me? Oh, I just need a new sample.
What? You also know I told the client that we have over 100 automation equipment. And also we can produce and develop our own products and everything. And he immediately paid the deposit after hearing that.
Well, really? How did you know I just placed a 30K order?
Well, here you go. My 30,000 connector order is not bad.
Great, thanks.